Frustrated by the liblz4 compression module DLL error causing LZ4 Project to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Before we start the liblz4 compression module manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the liblz4 compression module, an implementation of the LZ4 lossless compression algorithm, famous for its extremely high decompression speed. It is used in real-time data streaming and by game launchers to quickly expand compressed game files into memory. If missing, installers and data-heavy applications will report decompression failed or library load error during the asset unzipping stage. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Errors involving liblz4 compression module DLL typically indicate that the LZ4 project files within your application are damaged, so reinstalling the specific software you are using that is throwing the error will refresh the local file tree and restore the module. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing liblz4 compression module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. A quick safety warning: never download files like liblz4 compression module DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the liblz4 compression module environment. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing liblz4 compression module from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.